In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member and assign the accountant role. We'll walk through a simple, reliable process to add someone new to your workspace and make sure they get the right level of access. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to assign the accountant role with confidence. Start by heading to the team members area, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This is your central place for managing who can access your workspace. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in an account with permission to manage users, as some platforms limit this to admins or owners. Next, click on Add Team Member. A form will appear asking for basic details. Enter the person's first name, last name, and their work email address. Take a moment to double check spelling here, especially the email, since the invitation will be sent to whatever you type. Using a company email keeps access organized and makes it easier to manage when roles change. Once those fields are complete, click Add. This action creates the team member entry and sets you up to control what they can see and do. You'll now be in the Role and Permissions area. From here, invite them by clicking Invite. This sends an email to the address you just entered, allowing them to join your workspace. After you send the invite, you may see their status listed as pending until they accept, which is completely normal. Now it's time to assign their access level. In the role selector, choose the accountant role. This role is designed for finance-focused work. Think viewing financial data, managing invoices, handling reconciliations, and running reports, while typically preventing high-risk changes like altering global settings or removing other users. Assigning the accountant role helps maintain strong internal controls and keeps access aligned with responsibilities. A quick recap to lock it in. Go to Team Members on the left, click Add Team Member, enter the first name, last name, and email, then click Add. In Role and Permissions, send the invite, and select the role by choosing Accountant. That's it. Keep your records accurate, confirm the email is correct, and you'll have a smooth onboarding experience for every new teammate. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps each time you add a new person, you'll keep your workspace organized, secure, and tailored to how your team actually works.